What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Masters. Today we're going to be removing our MOMO hub and replacing it with a NRG short hub in preparation for installing a quick release. We're also going to be filming this video in first person point of view. Let us know in the comments below whether or not you guys like this style of video. First thing we're going to do is remove the steering wheel. It's held on by 6 Allen bolts. Once the wheel is off, we're going to unhook the wire that is connected to the horn. We're then going to put the steering wheel off to the side, and you're going to see a 19mm bolt holding the hub to the steering column. We're going to go ahead and loosen that. I'm also going to tape off this trigger wire so I don't accidentally set off the horn. Now that we have that 19mm center bolt loose, we're going to go ahead and bolt back on the steering wheel. This will give us a lot more leverage so we can pull the hub loose. Now that the hub is loose, we can go ahead and unscrew the 19mm from the center, and the steering wheel and hub should come right off. And from here, I'm just going to take off the Allen bolts so I can reuse them on the new short hub. Here's a comparison of the two. Here's a side-by-side view. You can see that's about half the size. Now you just line up the hub to the splines on the steering column and bolt back on the 19mm nut. Now we're going to put the steering wheel back onto the hub. It's just 6 Allen bolts. Note that if you're only installing the short hub, you won't be able to use the recessed horn button because the center of the horn button actually touches the center of the steering column bolt, and this will trigger the horn. We are also leaving it off because we intend to install a quick release in the next video. And this concludes our video for the NRG short hub install. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.